Income tax looks so difficult. So many things to remember, so many things to understand. I'm not getting the complete clarity. Somehow my faculty has taught me amazing also. But at the same time, when I go and approach a question, it just does not make sense. It's getting so difficult. Can you help? So yes. Hello everyone, this is your friend RAHUL Aggarwal and I'm here before you discussing something extremely important, the challenges of your income tax. We just had a quick brief session with all of my past students and I was trying to get a small feedback on how your preparations of this examinations were. Especially after Jan 26 because I know Jan 26 really was a difficult paper and we already put a review video out coming and clarifying to you why was it difficult enough. But yes, a sense of fear has already started building inside students as to how income tax is going to look like and whether income tax is a subject that they can do properly. So three standard responses that I got from most of the students is what we are discussing. Standard response number one, Rahul, there is so much to cover in direct tax, so many topics starting from basics till the last. At CA inter syllabus, just for 50 marks, how much do you think I can cover off? What is important? Can I skip a few topics? Inside the topic also, is there some topic which is extremely important? I'm getting lost there. Second, I have complete grip on the concepts. I've spent so much time on direct tax that if you ask me any provision, I can simply repeat it for you. I have mugged up everything so beautifully well. But somehow, Rahul, when I sit on the exam paper, I just go blank. I stare at the question paper and I'm trying to understand what is happening in the question paper. I have no idea how to approach the step. And third, I have probably done proper questions from SM. I say SM has completely been covered, but still every time I go for the exam preparation, every time I open the question paper, something new has come. Automatically a new adjustment comes and I get extremely scared and worried because probably it looks like SM is not enough for your examinations. Have you been asking yourself the same question? What is that you're lacking? Why are you not getting the right approach? That is what we're discussing in this video. I have, after all this feedback and analysis, decided to make this video to clarify to you where are you losing. Things which I've realized. One is that you don't have chapter wise validation. What does chapter wise validation mean? Understand, for a subject of direct tax, when everything is so interconnected, students have this impression that Rahul, when everything is so interconnected, it is important that I complete the entire syllabus and then only start doing papers. Good approach, not a bad thing, but there is a difficulty here. The difficulty is there when you're looking at a comprehensive question. It is very difficult for you to realize which chapters that you're making a mistake on. When you don't even have clarity on chapter number one like residential status, you're automatically going to have an overlap on every chapter. So first things that you need to realize is what chapter am I making a mistake on? This let's say for example you come and say, Rahul, I have done amazingly well on salaries. Full grip I have. HP is also going great. Capital gains is where I'm getting stuck. Every time I see a capital gains question, I get feared. And if I see the fear, comprehensive question gets skipped off, question number 3 gets skipped off, I have no idea what is happening. Chapter wise validation, most important. Second is the push to practice. Students now have come to this, and I'm very sorry to say this, but the Gen Z crowd has become very difficult to approach with, because in our times we had a very simple concept. We will sit in the class and we will write answers. We will not just discuss, we will write answers. We will try to put our pen to the paper and realize where are we making a mistake. Sometimes that approach helps a lot. Today's generation wants everything handed over the plate. They simply come and say, Rahul, you give me the questions, you give me the answers. I will sit, I will take a pen, I will mark what and all is important for me, read that and go for examination. Yes, not a bad approach, but it doesn't help. It doesn't help to the extent that today what makes sense to you does not tomorrow when you write it. When you start writing it, you will start asking yourself the right questions. You will say, Rahul, I read this, but somehow I have a doubt. Should I do plus a 14% or disallow 2%? Is a confusion you're always going to happen when you sit and do it yourself. So push to practice has become extremely important. Third is to realize what is ICAI's paper pattern. Now, I don't deny it, at CA inter level, every chapter is important. You will get a reference of every single chapter, including agricultural income in various places. But it is also true to the fact that ICAI's template is already set. ICAI has made it extremely clear. Question number 1 is going to be compulsory question. Question number 2A is going to be residential status. 2B is going to be TDS and TCS. 3A and 3B is going to be heads of income. 4A and 4B is going to be clubbing and set off with your return filing chapter and theoretical topics. So which means when the paper pattern is set, it is easier for you to already start preparing for an examination. You know one thing for sure, that when it comes to your examination in descriptive, out of 4 questions, you have to answer 3. First is compulsory. 2, 3 and 4 may have to choose any 2. So which means at this stage, when you do a chapter wise validation, you'll automatically get clarity on what topics that I'm not being extremely clear on. If you come to after chapter wise validation, Rahul, looks like clubbing and set off is something I'm not able to touch itself. Automatically, you know, question number 4 is skipped, which means question number 2 and 3 is what you have to focus on, in which case the assignments of 2 and 3 will become extremely critical and important for you. Validation for you. Yes, so very important that you understand that. And fourth is on how to review the questions. The most important thing, like we discussed, people, the problem which happens with most students I've seen is you understand the concept, you understand everything, you know the provision. If I ask you the provision, you know the answer, but when I put it in the paper and give it to you, you get confused on how is it going on. So it's important that you know how to read a question properly. And so a complete guidance on, if you look at a question, this is what you should have highlighted, this is what is the trigger answer, this is where the adjustment is hidden, this was a silent adjustment. All those things become extremely important for you to realize. And once, if a faculty can give you that guidance on that, it becomes easier for you to use the same guidance for your repeated topics next time. Yes, so these 4 things is what I realized, and I wanted to give a feedback on this. Rahul, okay, you gave me feedback, but it's still not helping. I have not done anything great right now. What can you do for me? Yes, this is what we are going to talk about, people. After a lot of discussions and everything, after a lot of suggestions from everyone, we have sat and we have devised something amazing for you to make sure that you get through your examinations this time. We are, for the very first time, launching what is called as a free assignment series. A complete free assignment series available on YouTube for you, where what you will be doing along with me is preparing for a rank. Yes, nothing short of a rank, people. Rank is what we are looking for. So nothing short of a rank. A rank is what we are going to be planning for, and direct taxes. That is what we're going to be doing. How are we going to do this? What we have done is, people, we have taken a compilation of 11 papers, 11 papers we have taken compilation, starting from May 25 RTP, starting from May 25 MTP, RTPs of May 25, actual exam paper of May 25 as well has been taken, and then same pattern repeated for September, same pattern repeated for January, which means until January RTP, not the current paper, because I did not want to put this paper into the mix. This paper was horribly made, and therefore Jan 26 exam paper alone is skipped off from this. Apart from that, 11 paper series has been taken. What Rahul B has done is, Rahul B has taken all the 11 papers, and each topic has now been put into chapter wise assignments. So like I said, question number 1 is compulsory, all compulsory put into one assignment. Question number 2 is residential status, all residential status put into one assignment. So you will now have one assignment paper with about 11 questions given to you for you to practice. How does it look like, people? I've already prepared the assignment, so I already have it in my hand. Notice there are about 8 assignments that you are going to be shared across, starting from residential status, salary, HP, CGs, clubbing, TDS, return filing, and your compulsory question, PGBP with comprehensive. 8 assignment series which will be available to you, and this assignment series is what you and I are going to practice. What are we going to do, people? So 8 assignment series will be given to you, and you now have one responsibility for yourself: to trust yourself and tell yourself you want to clear examinations, which means this 8 assignment series will be given to you for your own practice. You will sit on this 8 assignment papers, and each paper, first you will complete the chapter reading, you will come to this assignment paper and solve this assignment paper. I am not kidding, people. I want you to solve this assignment paper. Now, just to clarify to you, this is how the assignment paper will look like. Like I've said, first question, MTP May 25, I would have given you the question. Notice there is no answer here. There is no answer. Rahul Bhaiya purposely made sure that we will not put the answers in this. Your responsibility is to read this question, write the answer, put the answer out in your papers, and see how the performance is. Notice and realize what questions you're not able to solve off. First, you're going to do that. Okay, Rahul Bhaiya, I have understood the assignment. I'm going to take this assignment. I'm going to write the answers out. Then what? How do I validate myself? Don't worry. What Rahul Bhaiya has done is, Rahul Bhaiya has also taken extra efforts from our side. So Rahul Bhaiya will now come on every Wednesday and Fridays. Every Wednesday and Fridays, in the same pattern as what the assignment looks like, Rahul Bhaiya will now put out a free YouTube video giving you a complete review of that question, how to approach the question, what is the answer of that question, and what are the places that you're making a mistake. All that things Rahul Bhaiya will do. Solutions will be provided on every Wednesday and Friday for you to review of. Yes. Now, Rahul, upon a EG, what I will do, you give me the assignment, solutions are there with you. I will review the solution itself and I'll proceed forward. No. People, we are calling this assignment because we want your commitment on this. commitment that you will take the question paper, you will first solve it, and then you will come and approach me. That is a sincere request that I'm making to each and every student here. Please follow it in the same pattern. Rahul Bhaiya in this practice industry has been for so much time, and if the only reason I've been able to produce ranks is because people trust me with that guts. If Rahul Bhaiya is telling you to practice, you will practice. How does the paper look like? What is going to happen, people? Like we discussed, review videos will come out and review videos will now take the question. I would have discussed it in the question paper video itself that this is what you should have kept in mind, this is what you should have kept in mind, this is what you should have kept in mind, this is how the answers look like, this is what the solution is. Yes, so the solutions will be provided to you, no doubts about it. Complete PDF of the solutions will be provided to you, but for you to only review your answers. That is why if you notice, people, Rahul Bhaiya will not put the template out. In the answer key, Rahul Bhaiya will not put the template out. Rahul Bhaiya will tell you what is the answer you should have got. It is your responsibility to prepare the answer and only validate the statement. So every chapter will have the same thing. I would have given for every question the solutions, complete guidance, complete solutions would have been given to you for you to answer your question and see what answers you got vis-a-vis what you should have actually got. That is what will happen, people. Now it is already prepared. Today when I'm shooting this video, I've already completed assignments up to 6. So 7 and 8 assignment is what is pending, which anyway will get uploaded by the time you come for it. So yes, 8 assignments for you to practice off. Today, as we speak, when I'm uploading this video to you, the next coming Wednesday or Friday, whichever you have time, Rahul Bhaiya will start uploading the video. Now, what is going to happen? It's very simple. In today's description box, you will find the question papers of all 8 assignments. Just go to the description box and the first pinned in the comment section, you will find all the 8 assignment papers available to you. Your job is very simple. Pick off the assignment in the same sequence. Take residential status. Answer the complete question. In the coming week, you will see the video getting uploaded of residential status. Quickly verify. But in the middle, don't stop. Take assignment number 2, complete salaries also. Review the video. Assignment number 3, take HP, complete the video. Review. Then complete video. Review. Complete the video, review, complete it for all 8, and I can assure you that by the time the 8 assignments get over, direct tax is already going to be in your hand. You're going to get immense amount of confidence on direct taxes and you will not have any difficulty whatsoever, no matter what. Why, people? Because this review video is designed very beautifully. What I've done is I've spent good amount of time on every video. Every video is at least for about an hour, unless it's a theory video. For in an hour, what we have done is we have read the question, we have reviewed the question, I have discussed the provisions, I've given analysis to you, but at the same time, the most important thing we have done is what is called as marking LDRs. What does LDR mean? LDR, as per Rahul, means last day revision. Yes, so what is going to happen, people, is that as we keep doing the videos, you will see that in the videos itself I would have come and told you this topic is LDR. This is one adjustment which you're already making an examination mistake. This is an adjustment which I say always test you in examinations, and every single time you fail to understand this. Yes, and so what happens is this topic is now marked as LDR. So if you had made a mistake in your understanding and my understanding has a different answer, you are going to mark this. You're going to mark this and you're going to put it in your concept book, whatever book you're using. In that concept book too, you're going to put a note saying that this is one adjustment I'm always making a mistake on. Mark, highlight, important LDR. On the day of examinations, you will go read the adjustment and you will come and tell yourself, yes, I remember assignment number 1, Rahul Bhaiya told me this is an important topic and I have been making mistake. I will read this 2 more times before I go for the exam hall, so that in the exam hall when this adjustment comes, you go and laugh at the face of ICAI and come and say, hey, this time I prepared an A came and I'm going to get the right answer on this. That is what you're going to do, which means we are already preparing in such a way that when you enter the exam hall, almost 90-95% of the paper looks like you've already done it. You just have to go and come and put the paper out and you should come and say, this adjustment I'm already aware. This time you can't trick me. This time you can't fool me. I know the answer on the question. That is what you're going to do, and that is how the assignments have been prepared. Now, I'm making this extremely clear, people, that I am not picking out tough questions. It's not like Rahul Bhaiya is going to come and tell you I've picked the toughest questions that you have to practice. Rahul Bhaiya has very honestly taken the MTPs, RTPs and exam papers of the last 11 attempts. Very simple. Rahul Bhaiya wanted to make sure that you are understanding how ICAI pattern looks like. I'm not trying here to fool you. I'm only giving you the actual questions of ICAI so that you understand the mentality with which ICAI is coming. You understand the level of difficulty ICAI is having, and you understand that you only have to put that much efforts. I can very well go back to my solutions guide. I have some legend questions, put out all the legend questions and give it to you. That would not be an assignment, people. That would be me and you discussing for the future. Yes, assignment series basically means you're here to practice, you're here to understand which chapter is there, and therefore Rahul Bhaiya honestly has taken the 11 papers, which is enough for you. Trust me, people, ICAI does not repeat its question whatsoever. So in this 11 papers itself, all the questions were individually picked up and put out because none of the questions were repeated. So it will automatically cover about 80 to 90 percentage of the chapter. That is my guarantee to you. I have done the reviews, I've already completed all those things. So I can tell you that you have already completed everything from this. And trust me when I say this, people, if 11 papers you're going to complete off, the amount of confidence you're going to have on the day of examinations to come and tell the world that for this examination, I prepared 11 papers. 11 papers is what I prepared for my examinations, and that is why I'm standing here. So don't come and tell me that I cleared because of luck. I put my efforts for it. That is what is happening. The only difference is, people, normally 11 papers you would have gone through each paper one by one and completed the whole paper. This time you're doing it chapter wise. The intention remains the same. The difficulty has come down, nothing else. Yes, so that is what you're going to do. But for the world, between you and Rahul Bhaiya, you're going to tell the world that you sat and did 11 papers. Rahul Bhaiya will also validate with you, coming and saying, yes, this person who looked into the videos has done 11 papers along with me. So no kidding, this person deserves to be a CA final student at this point of time. Yes, with that intention is what we're doing, people. And so, yes, my sincere request to each and every one of you watching this video, please do not cheat yourself. Rahul Bhaiya is going to give the answer key out, so I will anyway review the answer key. No, my honest and sincere request, if you want to clear, if you want to get a rank, if you want to pass this examinations with the wholeheartedness that you have, my sincere request is step number 1. Take the question paper in this description box, solve the complete question paper as if you're writing an ICAI exam, with the complete template, with the complete English, with the complete format, every single thing, write it down properly. Next, move on forward to the next assignments until the review video comes. Don't keep waiting for the review video to come. Move on to the next assignment. Complete that assignment also if you've already dedicated time yourself for DT. If you have other subjects to do, okay, leave it off, no problem at all. Anyway, the videos are going to be uploaded on YouTube, so you can watch it whenever you want. But if you have dedicated time to yourself for DT, complete the next assignments also. Third, every Wednesday and Friday when Rahul Bhaiya puts the video out, go and download the answer key first. The answer key will be in the description box of that chapter. Go and download the answer key off and cross-verify quickly with your answers. Where and all your answers matched, leave it off. Where and all your answers did not match, first understand from your side why you did not get the right answer. If you still did not get it, go and watch the video. The video will come and tell you why you did not get the right answer. At the same time, wherever Rahul Bhaiya has put LDR, please make sure you also mark this LDR. You mark this as LDR, you go back to your concept guide and find the same spot, the same topic in your book, whichever book you're having, whether it's my book or some other faculty's book, please go to that book and mark this topic as LDR and tell yourself, Rahul Bhaiya told, this is a very important topic which comes in examinations and tricks students. I will ensure I will remember this topic going forward. 4 steps that I want you to do, people. And step number 5 is go to your exam hall, go and write the exam paper, tell ICAI examiner that you have no opportunity to test me anything difficult whatsoever. I will get a rank. That is the simple 5-step process, your 5-step success formula for your examinations coming up for May 26, September 26 and Jan 2027 examinations. Yes, now I want to clear this out to everyone who is right now writing Jan exams as well, that if you're writing Jan examinations and unfortunately do not end up clearing this examinations, it's okay. May 26 has very handful of amendments which is already getting uploaded on YouTube as we speak. So you can look into the videos and then move into this assignment. You will have the same amount of grip. There is not going to be any difficulty. In fact, for Jan students, this will become even more easier. Jan students already have understanding of the subject. You simply have to spend some time on this. So hardly 15 days, people. 8 assignments are there, 15 days. Each day, if you sit with me, if Rahul Bhaiya can review the whole assignment in 1 hour, you can definitely complete the assignment in a matter of 2 hours maybe. Yes. So take 2 hours in a day. If you can sit and you can complete all these assignments off, you will already be confident for May 26. You will not have to redo your preparations. Please do not redo your preparations. Now, for all the students who have already completed your classes for May 26, September 26, yes, this is an opportunity for you. Please go ahead, review the video and complete the answers off. If you're ongoing your classes, this is the best opportunity for you. If you're currently ongoing your classes, this is what I'm doing with my students in my batch right now. If you're currently ongoing classes, my request is, if the faculty has completed the chapter, don't move forward. complete the chapter of complete the assignment, complete the chapter, complete the assignment, complete the chapter, complete the assignment. As you keep moving forward itself, it will become so much easier for you that if you have a doubt in the chapter, you can immediately approach either Rahul Bhaiya if he's already your faculty, or you can approach your faculty and come and tell that this is one question that I reviewed earlier, and in this question this answer is probably not making sense to me. I'm not able to figure out, probably can you explain this once again in the class. It'll become so much nice, because now the faculty also will be interested enough to understand that the student is really putting efforts. He will take his additional efforts to make sure that you clear your examinations. So it now become a joint effort from your faculty and Rahul Bhaiya personally. We will together ensure that you clear your examinations. So this assignment series is being prepared for everyone at large, and every single one of you should take this opportunity out. So yes, I am making this video in collaboration with Karthik, and Karthik and I are both going to be putting this video out on YouTube as a collaboration series. My request to every single one of you who's watching this video, if you have any friend of yours, whether he has written examinations, not written examinations, preparing for classes, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Just hand over this assignments to this person and tell him that this is your secret mantra for rank this time. Please go forward, complete the assignments off. The review videos are available on YouTube on every Wednesday and Friday. Kindly look into those videos and see how your preparations are. If you're already getting the confidence that you're able to complete the answers with the right adjustments, then yes, you are guaranteed clearing with a rank. Yes or no? Yes. So let's keep that in mind, people, and let's share this video across to every single one of you. It's a complete free series, people, so there is no monetization benefit for me. It's only done with a simple intention that Rahul's intention of making rankers in 2026 from the South market is achieved. Karthik and I have made this promise to ourselves that this time South market is going to produce ranks to the best extent possible. We're going to take over the North market and come and tell the North market, South market is waiting for you, and the South market is going to get you ranks as much as possible. So with that intention is what this video is being made. So yes, complete free series given to you, and I want you all to use the maximum amount of benefit out of this. Yes, the questions are going to be available in the description box starting now. You can watch it in the description box, get all the question papers. Answer keys of each chapter will be available with the respective videos when it gets launched on Wednesdays and Fridays. Watch out for the series, people. By Feb end, everything will get completed off. Direct tax will already be in your hand, and you will have the promise to yourself that you are clearing. Yes, that is all from my side. Thank you all for watching this video for 20 minutes. I know it's a little lengthy, but it's important for us to understand this properly. Yes, I will see you all in the next upcoming videos of the assignment series. My comment section is always open. My WhatsApp number is always available. If you have any difficulties, any doubts, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to assist you in the best extent possible. At the end of the day, you and I are working on the same initiative to get a rank in this CA Inter. Moving on to CA Final, waiting for CA Final to become the last opportunity for you to get through and become a qualified chartered accountant. With that intention is what we are doing this whole initiative. So I hope you all like this approach. I would love you all to take a single minute, go to the comment section and tell Rahul Bhaiya, I've watched this video. I'm super excited for the assignment series. I'm going to take it up seriously enough, and I will get a rank in May 26, September 26, Jan 27, or whatever attempt you have written. Yes, a small comment section, comment number from your side will help me boost the confidence to come and tell me, okay, these many people are going to work on this initiative along with me. So I will also put extra efforts from my side to make sure that this becomes a grand success for all of you. Yes, so a small effort from your side on the comment section is going to go a long way for my journey as well. So please help me with that. That's a sincere request from my side. With that, I would like to conclude this video. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful learning ahead. I will see you all in the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.